All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If this is the first time that you're checking out a video, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, the other day I bumped into my buddy Robert, who has a really nicely modified Chrysler 300. He's done mostly all visual stuff, and we're going to check it out in a couple minutes. That's who we're meeting up with. But when I bumped into him, I was going over some of the performance upgrades that he could possibly do. Many of the V6 guys go out and get a centrifugal force supercharger and net themselves a healthy horsepower gain. But after surfing around the internet, I found out that you could do a V6 stroker kit. At idle and lower RPMs, the V6 really sounds deep. It's only until you start really pushing it that you get that higher pitch exhaust note. But so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start this thing up, meet up with my buddy Robert, see what he has to say about his 300, check out his modifications, and probably see what his future holds with that thing.
Usually does it automatic. Alright, yeah, you're good.
So this is air suspension.
Yes, airlift performance.
So wait a minute, that noise.
It's the compressors in the back.
So it's constantly on like that?
No. It goes off until it fills up to like 190 psi, and then it just like leaves a reserve, so I can just bounce up and down for a little bit.
Gotcha. Yeah. All right. So this is normal ride height.
Yes.
And you've really just kind of invested more so in the looks of this thing,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, this is more of like
a show car.
Show car, park and chill, you know.
Okay.
Not a race car by like any stretch of the imagination. I mean, you got auto stick.
It's smooth though. It's smooth. But you do feel the bumps, you know.
Yeah.
What limited bumps we do have. So did you notice a difference going, like a huge difference going from the air suspension to the like the stock springs and everything?
Not too much, just a little. It gets a little on the bouncy side, but overall, like handling wise, it's
not that bad.
Not that bad, yeah.
Okay. Dude, very cool. And like I said, it does feel really sporty when you're sitting in it. All right, so what year is this thing?
This is a 2002.
2002. And what year was the remodel?
They kicked off in 2005. So
2005?
2004 was the last year. The last year.
You have 3 of these things, right? So you have 2 of this model year, and then one of the
2006 300C.
2006. Okay. Now all of them are V6s.
No, the C is a 5.7.
Okay. Oh yeah.
I do have there's intake spacer here. Get more in the engine of the K&N intake.
Okay.
And I did a resonator sitting
Stock tune and everything, right? Okay. I'll tell you, there's a lot going on. You know, a very colorful. It's pretty much what you expect from like a meat car, right? Yeah. But you don't get this to race. You get this to cruise, have a little bit of fun on the highway, right? It's a smooth highway.
It's you like a highway cruiser, you know.
You did the dress up. You got a couple of performance pieces. You got headlights going on here.
They're all Bluetooth.
Okay. I remember you showing me that the other day. I'll show a clip of that. So right now you have the headlights that are controlled with your phone along with your suspension.
Exactly.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So it's hooked up Bluetooth, right, and everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll play around with the trunk.
And then you put some kind of ground effects on this? A little splitter kit?
And I have the old air management and everything in the spare tire compartment.
That looks really good. And like I said the other day, it's really cool that you don't have to sacrifice your trunk space with it like that. And correct me if I'm wrong, you said it was around ballpark $3,500 for the complete air.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if I want, I can pull up your channel right there if I'm at Wi-Fi signal and just watch YouTube and all that, Netflix, all that stuff too. Speedometer, it's got a little thing.
This thing right up here?
Yeah, it hooks up to the scanner port, and I can get some details about the car.
That's pretty cool. Adds a little something to the driver experience, right?